All right, so Answer Garden is actually a very easy tool to use, and I'm just going to kind of walk through with you the steps that you need to take to make an Answer Garden and use it in your class. So the first thing is you need to go to the website. It's answergarden.ch. Once you get here, you'll see a screen that looks like this, and in the very top right-hand corner, you'll see a bunch of these buttons. You want to click on this add button that says create an answer garden. When you click on this, it's going to give you a few things to fill out to set your answer garden up. This box right here is the box where you type in your question. So we'll just ask the question, you know, what did you eat last night? Okay. There's a few options below that. You don't need to change. I mean, if you want to mess with these different modes and change stuff around, that's fine. I usually keep it on classroom mode, and that does exactly what I need. So you can mess with things like answer length. You can give this a password if you want to. Again, you don't have to though. All of this can be left as it is. Then when you get to the very bottom, it tells you how long would you like this to go. If you want this to only be available for one day, you click a day. I normally, if I'm gonna make one of these and use it sometime during next week, I will make this available for a week. But you can see from this page, I mean, it's very easy to make, it doesn't take long. So once you've made all of these choices, you hit create, and then you'll notice at the top of the screen, this link has changed. It's the website, but then it has a number at the end of it. This is the link that your students need to get to this answer garden right here. And you could even, if you wanted to, you could turn this into a QR code and post it in your class or post it on your smartboard. And your kids could scan the QR code and come to this question. So when we're on the page, what your students will do is they'll see the question and they'll see this text box and they'll just type in their answer. And when they hit enter, if they click on submit, then their answer will show up on the screen. We'll type in a few more words here so you can kind of see how this works. Let's see. So we've got 3 choices on here now. And what I want you to see is that if another student comes in and types the same word or the same answer, what's really nice about Answer Garden is that it will grow that word. So now this word is showing that there's 2 responses and each one of these only has 1. So as your students begin to continue to fill this out, you'll have a growing garden of answers. And then you can talk about it. You know, you can see you can see this on the smartboard, and you can talk about the results and what that means, what that entails for your class and for what you're talking about today. So that's it. That's how you use Answer Garden in your classroom.